cigarette is not just a mass consumption product. It is the result of a complex production process that unites agriculture, technology, and global logistics. Every filter, every paper wrapper, and every shred of tobacco travels a long path, from farms in the tropics and subtropics to highly automated factories. Today, we will take a look inside this industry and see how billions of cigarettes are manufactured in factories around the world every year. The journey of a cigarette begins on tobacco plantations. Different countries cultivate different varieties: Virginia, Burley, Oriental tobaccos. Each type has its own characteristics. Some produce a mild taste, others a strong and rich one. It all starts with seeds planted in greenhouses, where tiny sprouts grow into sturdy plants within a few weeks. Once they reach the proper height, they are transplanted into open fields. Here, farmers care for the tobacco, regulating irrigation, protecting it from pests, and monitoring the climate. When the leaves begin to yellow, the harvest begins. In some regions, tobacco is picked by hand, leaf by leaf. In others, mechanical harvesters are used. The cut leaves are stacked in large baskets or crates to be quickly delivered for curing. This stage is critical, as the future aroma of the tobacco is established here. The harvested leaves are taken to special storage facilities, curing barns or industrial chambers. There are several methods: air curing, fire curing, and sun curing. For example, Virginia tobacco is often cured with heated air generated by wood or gas. The process can last from several weeks to a few months. As a result, the leaves turn golden or brown and lose their moisture. After curing, some tobaccos undergo fermentation. Under high humidity and temperature, chemical processes occur within the leaves that soften the flavor and reduce unwanted compounds. The cured leaves are pressed into large bales or blocks and shipped to the factory. In this form, tobacco can be stored for years without losing quality. But before processing, the leaves are re-moistened to restore flexibility. This balance of dryness and moisture is crucial. Overly dry leaves crumble, while overly moist leaves can develop mold. At the factory, the tobacco undergoes sorting. Automated systems separate the leaves by size, color, and quality. Coarse stems, dust, and damaged pieces are removed. The leaves are then sent to machines that cut them into thin strips. The resulting fibers are called cut tobacco, and this is what becomes the filler of a cigarette. No cigarette consists of just one type of tobacco. Each brand develops its own unique mixture, the blend. It combines leaves from different regions: the milder Virginias, the stronger Burleys, and the aromatic Orientals. The formula is carefully guarded as it defines the distinctive flavor of each brand. The blends are prepared in large drums, where the tobacco is mixed until perfectly uniform. Once the blend is ready, it is treated with steam and flavorings. At this stage, natural or synthetic additives are introduced to give the product its character, whether sweet, spicy, or sharper. Sometimes special agents are added to improve burning and stabilize the taste. After treatment, the tobacco is dried again to the proper moisture level. Now it is ready to enter the cigarette-making machine. Meanwhile, other components are prepared on parallel production lines. Cigarette paper is made from cellulose and treated with substances that regulate the burning rate. Filters are produced from cellulose acetate fibers, rolled into tight cylinders. On a separate line, they are combined with wrapping paper, that white section we see on every finished cigarette. Now comes the key stage. Inside the machine, the tobacco blend is fed onto a moving ribbon of paper. The machine wraps the paper around the tobacco, forming a long, continuous rod, essentially a sausage of tobacco. This rod is cut into equal sections. Each piece will become an individual cigarette. When the cigarette rod is ready, the next stage begins: filtration. The automated line feeds cylinders made of acetate fiber and attaches them to the tobacco section using special adhesive paper. The filter is glued in place to remain firmly fixed while maintaining the correct permeability for smoke. Factory machines can connect filters and tobacco rods at speeds of up to 20,000 cigarettes per minute. Each brand has its own signature style, logos, rings, or text printed on the paper. Advanced printers apply these elements directly on the line using heat-resistant inks. Some manufacturers also use special perforations on the filters, tiny holes that allow air to enter. This makes the taste of the cigarette milder and regulates nicotine and tar levels. After the cigarettes are formed, they are checked for precise measurements. Automated sensors measure the length, diameter, and density of each unit. If even one parameter does not meet the standard, the machine rejects the product. This approach guarantees product consistency. Every cigarette in a pack looks identical and behaves predictably when smoked. Finished cigarettes are grouped into 20, the standard for most brands. Specialized robots arrange them into cardboard packs produced on a parallel line. The pack material is sturdy cardboard with branded design. Inside, a foil lining is added to preserve tobacco freshness and protect against moisture. After filling, the pack is sealed and a protective film with an easy tear strip is applied for convenient opening. Packs are not sent directly to stores. They are combined into cartons of 10 packs, wrapped in transparent protective film. Cartons are then stacked into large cardboard boxes, which are palletized and prepared for shipping. Each box is given a unique code that allows tracking of the entire supply chain, from the tobacco plantation to the distributor's warehouse. Factories operate under strict quality control systems. In laboratories, not only the raw material, but also the finished products are tested. Cigarettes undergo mechanical and chemical tests. Nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide levels are measured. Special machines simulate smoking, inhaling cigarettes, and collecting smoke for analysis. If results do not meet the standards, the batch is either reprocessed or destroyed. Cigarettes require specific storage conditions. Warehouses maintain a constant temperature of around 120 Kelvin and controlled humidity. This helps preserve the flavor and aroma of the tobacco. Automated systems track the movement of every pallet. Robotic forklifts move boxes, while computer programs record exactly how much product is shipped and where. The cigarette industry is a global market. Factories supply products to dozens of countries. Shipping is carried out by sea containers, trucks, and even air freight. Protection from temperature fluctuations and humidity is essential, so packaging and logistics are designed for different climate conditions. In some countries, additional certification and inspection are required before the products reach store shelves. Cigarette production represents billions of dollars in revenue and millions of jobs worldwide. This chain involves farmers, factory workers, engineers, packaging designers, transport companies, and retailers. Despite declining cigarette consumption in developed countries, the market remains one of the largest in the food and processing industries. Modern factories are becoming increasingly automated. Artificial intelligence forecasts demand, real-time sensors monitor every machine, and robots replace manual labor in the most complex operations. At the same time, the industry is adapting to new challenges. The emergence of heated tobacco devices and smokeless products requires entirely different production lines. All this is shaping a new face for the tobacco industry. From a tiny tobacco seed to a finished pack of cigarettes, the journey is long, through fields, curing barns, factory lines, and laboratories. It is the result of the combined efforts of thousands of people and high-tech equipment. For some, it is an everyday product. For others, a symbol of a global industry that unites agriculture, science, and manufacturing. But in any case, every cigarette in a pack represents the outcome of an enormous process hidden from the eyes of the average consumer.